Greetings of the day. We Ritik of class 7th Lavender
Udit of class 7th Lavender
and Arab from class 7 Lavender
are your broadcaster of the day and are present here to update you about the happenings that took place yesterday in the world. Today is 6th of March and the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Time for national news. Calcutta High Court Judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay resigns to join BJP. NCERT new assignment seems for student will be based on inputs from parents classmates. India's issue adversary for its citizens in Israel after Kerala man killed. Supreme Court dismisses money laundering case against DK Shivkumar. PM Modi to inaugurate India's first underwater metro in Kolkata. 6. Himachal Congress MLAs go to Supreme Court challenge disqualification. PM Modi launches projects worth 7,200 crores in Telangana. Former Gujarat Congress Chief Arjun Modawadi joined BJP.
Time of international news. Yati in Tremor as Gangwaz branches his RBCU his main size control of capital. Seize control of capital. Apple hit with 2 billion EU antitrust fine in Spotify case with appeal. Ukraine say destroy Russian military vote in Black Sea. China increased defense budget by 7.2% amid rising regional tension. Google roll out Pixel feature drop alongside March security update for supporting device. Maldives say Indian troops will not remain even in civilian clothing. March May 2 experiences above normal temperature due to El Niño. Hikers to be charged $13 fee to climb Japan's Mount Fuji for July. Iran executed 834 people last year, highest since 2015 riot groups.
News from the sports arena. Dosis Sanagar guides Sri Lanka to dramatic wins over Bangladesh in first T20 International. Wankhede Stadium to host Ranji Trophy final this season. Yashasvi Jaiswal among ICC Men's Player of the Month nominees from February. Indian men's women's table tennis team script history qualifier from Paris Olympics. India shelter from B. Sai Praneeth retired from international badminton. Satvik Siraj, Ranker Reddy, Chirag Shetty, Tesla Jolie, Gayatri Gopichand win opening round of French Open. Deepa Boria goes down fighting on opening day of first World Olympic boxing qualifier. Delhi High Court asked Center WFI to reply to wrestlers' play against Federation election. Asian Games 2022 participant Kraman Singh Pita wins FIFA 2023 during College Revival Grand Final.
That's all from us today. We will back tomorrow with fresh update. This is Ritik Yadav
Urjit Verma.
Arab.
signing out. Goodbye.